On a regular basis, the Police Association dive team, we pull cars from the river for specific investigations. Our partnership with Living Lands and Waters, this is our biggest river project where we're pulling this many cars at one particular time. So this is probably our largest vehicle extrication project in 1 week.
See you down there. We're heading that way there now. Copy that.
Living Lands is a river cleanup organization, been around since 1998. We've removed 12.8 million pounds since we started, and we've been coming on the Ohio since 2016, so we just try to get the community together and get as much garbage removed from the riverways as possible, because a lot of people are drinking from the water and it affects everybody. It's all connected.
Last year, we spent about 9 months looking for a vehicle that was related to a double murder-suicide. During the course of that investigation, we located approximately 16 vehicles that we were unable to identify during the course of this ongoing investigation. Now that that investigation's been resolved, we wanted to come back and relocate these cars and follow up on those cars, pull them from the river, and see what the deal with those cars are.
The whole goal behind this for us was not just to get vehicles out of the waterway, it was criminal investigation of cold cases, missing persons, vehicles that have gone missing and stolen that have never been found.
One thing, it'll clean up the riverbanks for us, but number two, maybe, who knows, it might help us solve a crime or two. With CPD, we don't stop, we'll go to any lengths to try and solve a crime, even digging up cars from the bottom of the river.